Happy Thursday. Thank goodness for a Starbucks medicine ball. I am getting my butt kicked. It has been terrible. Honestly, I'm just trying to push through though, because the flip is going to be listed next week. So there's just been like so many little things. I installed some backsplash yesterday for the bar there. I grouted, and now we need to clean and touch up paint so that we can get it staged by the end of the week or beginning of next week, and then get it listed. So I'm just hoping I start to feel better, because this has not been fun. So fingers crossed this all happens and we get it on the market next week, because then I can start to share all this content with you guys. So we are grouting today. We're just using this ready-to-use grout, so we don't have to mix it up. Honestly, we don't need a ton of grout, so this is perfect for this project. Have a float. It's pretty simple. Simply just push it into the cracks, and then I'm going to use a wet sponge to wipe it all down.